In the noise of the world, you forgot your own voice. In the shine of the screen, you lost your reflection. But silence is knocking, and it's time to remember who you are.
When you got full of the blessings of this world, when trophies and prizes stopped getting you drunk, when money and fame started feeling too small, you knew there was something bigger than all. You couldn't see yourself through the waves in your eyes. You couldn't hear yourself through the cities that cry. Lost in a mirror of a glowing phone, seeing a version that wasn't your own. Now this moment has come, now this moment is real. The voice inside finally starts to reveal. You're back on the road, yeah, the road is rough, but the truth in your chest is strong enough. I don't need a goal, I don't need a throne. I'm walking back to what feels like home. Through the dark, through the doubt, through the pain I go. Cause the light I was chasing was inside my soul. I don't need a crown, I don't need a show. I'm listening now to the voice I know. Through the smoke, through the fear, through the fall I rise. I'm finally seeing with my own eyes. Yeah, cool retreats, fun parties, luxury nights. All of it shining, all of it bright. But behind all the glitter and dopamine highs, there's a deeper hunger in your mind. They sell you escape, they sell you a dream, but none of that tells you who you really be. So you slow your breath, you sit in the dark, and you hear that whisper inside your heart. It says,
You were never broken, you were just asleep. You were running from something too deep to keep.
now the walls fall down, now the truth comes through, and you finally start talking back to you. I don't need a goal, I don't need a throne. I'm walking back to what feels like home. Through the dark, through the doubt, through the pain I go. Cause the light I was chasing was inside my soul. I don't need a crown, I don't need a show. I'm listening now to the voice I know. Through the smoke, through the fear, through the fall I rise. I'm finally seeing with my own eyes. All the seven sins try to own my skin. I tasted the fire, I tasted the sin. But pleasure fades in the silent state, and that's where your real self waits. Now I'm not running, I'm not pretending. I'm done with chasing what never was ending. This darkness ain't death, it's a sacred door where you meet who you really are. No more masks, no more fake applause, just breath and blood and ancient laws. I walk with the shadow, I walk with the flame, and I finally know my name. I don't need a goal, I don't need a throne. I'm walking back to what feels like home. Through the dark, through the doubt, through the pain I go. Cause the light I was chasing was inside my soul.